Who says being frugal can't be fun? Get ready to slash your expenses with these unbelievable, wallet-friendly hacks that are just too good to miss. First up, say goodbye to pricey gym memberships and hello to nature. Your local park or living room can be your new fitness center. Hiking, jogging, or following along to free online workout videos can keep those dollars in your pocket. Next, embrace the magic of meal prepping. Not only does preparing your meals in advance save money, but it also keeps you from splurging on last-minute takeouts. Imagine this: one cooking session, meals for a week. Here's a favorite: cut the cable. Yes, it's time. With so many free streaming services and digital libraries offering free movie rentals, you won't even miss it. Plus, think of the savings. And don't forget about transportation. If you can, biking or walking to work not only cuts down on expenses, but also keeps you fit. If that's not an option, carpooling or public transit can be your wallet's best friends. Lastly, be smart with your shopping. Hit up thrift stores, use coupons, and always shop with a list to avoid impulse buys. It's not just about saving a few cents. It's about making smarter financial choices that add up. There you have it. Simple, effective, and definitely easy on the pocket. Give these hacks a try and watch your savings grow. It's not just about spending less, it's about living smart. Ready to start saving?